Uline's aluminum walk ramps make unloading trucks and vans safer, faster, and more efficient when no docks are available. Use them with a hand truck or appliance hand truck to load and unload heavy boxes. Aluminum walk ramps feature a slip-resistant deck that assures better traction, and an 8-inch overlapping apron provides a smooth ramp-to-vehicle transition. Safety chains help secure the ramp to the truck, and 4 1/4-inch side rails keep hand trucks safely on the ramp. Aluminum walk ramps come in a wide selection of sizes and load capacities, so you can safely move heavy loads with ease. To be sure the ramp fits your specific needs, check the length, usable width, load capacity, and maximum ramp height from the ground to the truck. Aluminum walk ramps and over 99% of all Uline items are in stock and ready for immediate delivery. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.